Hey, what is up people? This is Saurabh and in this video I'll be telling you how you can make money with Clickbank using Facebook. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build a passive income online. So there are a number of strategies which you may have seen regarding make money online with Clickbank and Facebook, and today I'll be sharing you the best strategy that works till now. It is not outdated and it will never be outdated. And not only you can use this strategy for Clickbank product, you can use this strategy to promote any affiliate product. Yes, you can promote any affiliate product of your choice. So for this video purpose, I'm going to show you this strategy for Clickbank. So the very first thing, you have to sign up to Clickbank and you need to come to marketplace. You will end up on page like this. And from here, you need to select one product. Let's say we're gonna pick up from e-business and e-marketing. We will pick up email marketing. Again guys, this is just an example which I'm giving you. You can pick up any product of your choice. And over here you can see there are a number of products which you will see based on the popularity. You can also sort them based on gravity, average dollar per sale, initial sale. So I'll suggest you to stay with the sort results by popularity. And you can see the top one, Learn Summit. If you're going to make a sale, you're going to end up with a commission of $462. And for the second one, Nuevo, Mega Publicador Plus, $123. Looks like some Spanish product. List Launch Pro, $24. So let's open this one. Let's see what this is. List Builder Pro, done for you. List building system. So we're gonna check out these two products. Okay, so this one is the List Launch Pro. It seems to be taking to a webinar product, and this one is the List Builder Pro, and we can check it out. Just check the sales page. Okay, what they're giving you. The thing is, you need to do a complete research of the product which you are promoting. So you can check out their sales page in detail, watch the video, and also watch the other people reviews on YouTube for this particular product. So let's say we are promoting List Builder Pro. So the idea is to promote it on Facebook. And how we are going to do it? We need to go into Facebook and we are going to join few groups related to email marketing. Yes, so how you will find groups related to email marketing? Just in the search bar type email marketing and just go into groups. As you can see, these are a number of email marketing groups. So now after you have joined these groups, I'll recommend you joining 5 to 10 groups for that particular niche which you are promoting. Now what you have to do in these groups, you're not going to spam your links. No, that is not at all advisable, and that strategy doesn't work anymore in 2019. You're not going to spam your links. You need to see what people are asking in these groups. So let's see. Let me open this one and see what people are facing problems with, and what are the questions people are asking. Like this one question, the strategy on using share funnels to earn commission. Yeah, something like these, people are asking questions. So what you have to do, you need to answer these questions, build relationship with these people who are asking questions, send them a friend request, but first answer their question. So try to answer most of the questions. If you don't know the answer to a particular question, just Google it or just search it on YouTube or see what other people have replied, and accordingly create a unique answer of yourself and reply to them. Then send them a friend request and slowly build relationship with these people who are asking questions. So you need to dedicate daily 1 hour time to answer questions in these groups. And you're not going to give your link to anyone just yet. If some person is facing a problem, and so what you can do, instead of just giving them the link directly, you can answer their question and at the end tell them, I've got a product which can help you with this particular problem. Would you mind if I share that link with you in direct message? So take the permission from that person that you want to send them a link. If that person agrees, then send the link in the direct message in the messenger, not in the group. Otherwise, if you post links in the group, most likely you will get banned. 99% of the time you will get banned. So the idea here is to interact with people, build your community, come across as a person, a helpful person who answer everyone without selling anything. And then people will recognize you and they will surely ask you if you have any solution to their problem, and then you can share a link, but first take a permission from them. So this is the strategy which works, and this is the strategy which I am following, not only for Clickbank but for different products which I'm promoting as an affiliate. And this is a long-term strategy, and it's going to build your authority in these groups and among the people, and this will bring you more benefits than any other method which you may have heard to promote affiliate products on Facebook. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you found some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, there's a link in the description down below. Check it out. It's a free course on affiliate marketing that will teach you from basics to advanced. And if you have any questions on affiliate marketing, on Make Money Online, do let me know. Reach out to me on email, Facebook, or wherever you want, and I will help you out. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.